Yeah, hi. Thanks for taking my call.
Sure.
Sorry, is this a good time for you?
Who is this?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. This is God.
What?
Yeah, look, I know I haven't been in touch lately. I've been really slammed. What with the Middle East and
Okay, fantastic joke. Okay, super committed. Who is this really?
Okay, God, yeah, really funny. Look, I know I haven't been around. There's no need to be all snarky about it.
There's no such thing as God.
Oh, one of those, are we? Well, fine. I'll get right to it then and stop wasting all that time you're using to write your own destiny. I'm giving my notice. And look, you can't say you weren't expecting this, all right? So don't pull that surprise shit on me now.
You're quitting being God.
Hey, as much as everyone's all, wow, you're God, and oh, it must be so great to be God, just think about it for a second. No sick time, no upward mobility, and the people I have to work with are completely unmanageable. You know, I was talking to a buddy of mine the other day.
Oh, a buddy of yours.
Yeah, and she just seriously didn't stop about some guy she knew who wanted to marry some other guy and all this bullshit I couldn't give a flying fuck about. Seriously, why is it any of my business, right?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
And Sundays, why does it have to be Sundays? Can't I just get a weekend away with the guys once every goddamn millennium? Look, I'm just tired, and... Hey, don't make that face. What, am I boring you?
Face? Is there a camera out here?
I'm God. Look, just tell them, okay? 2 weeks. Okay, 10 days. I got some vacation time saved up.
Them? You want me to tell them? Who do you want me to tell? You want me to tell, like, what, world leaders or the Pope or something? Are you sure that you're calling the right number? I mean, shouldn't you be calling, like, a red phone or something?
Oh, shit, no, I got another call coming in here. Yeah, I gotta go. Okay, yeah, good talk, and I will be in touch.
No.
Or I won't. Or
Wait.
Maybe. No, I won't.
Wait, okay, no, wait.
This is the operator. How may I direct your call?
Hi, yeah, good morning. I'm actually calling about a job opportunity. I can hold.